two equations. The what? The Big Mac. What did we call when we solved it all together? Substitution. So you could solve for one variable and substitute it into the other. So that was the second way we learned. What was the first? That's perfect. That was perfect.
Space.
What was our second step that we do? What was the first, actually? Before we learned substitution, before we learned elimination, what did we learn? Graphs, right? So this is a line, 3x minus 2y is equal to 0. And I could set it equal to y, and I would get my m and my b, and I would start on my b, and then I would move for my slope, and I would graph that line. And then I could graph this line. I could solve for one variable, substitute into the other. But here, elimination is probably the easiest because one of the variables cancels out. So that is the key to elimination, is you have to eliminate a variable, right? All right, will you explain to us how you did this, please?
You see, wait, hold on. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I'm not done. I'm gonna do the check.
Oh, no, just go
Yes,
ahead.
I want to do the check.
We need more space.
So when you're doing this on a test, you may choose not to do it on your homework, or you may choose to do it on your homework. But on a quiz or a test, you definitely want to do the check.
Why?
Because then you know your answer is correct. You know it. You don't have to ask. You don't have to wonder. You can just plug it in, and you should get the same answer for both. You have to do both equations. Okay, perfect. So go ahead and we have to write it as a coordinate pair, x comma y. Okay, go ahead and explain how you did it.
It's over here.
Okay, tell us what you did.
Okay, well, first I have to add it, right, and then you cross this out to the back, you know, and then you divide, so then you plug the x back into one of these two, and I did it for this one. 3 times 2 minus 2y, 0, and if you come to the state, so 6 minus 2y, 0, then you subtract 6 from both sides, and then that leaves you with 2, negative 2y. Because we're negative 2.
And when you check, you plug it back into both equations. Thank you.
Wait, I'm not done.